Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ninja Warz. To begin your journey, you'll first create and customize your very own ninja clan. You'll want to recruit several ninjas to build a strong team, as a larger clan is often more effective. Then, dive into battles against other clans to earn valuable experience points and gold. Don't forget to connect with your friends. They can become allies and send helpful gifts. Mastering combat is key to victory in Ninja Warz. Equip your ninjas with a wide array of weapons and powerful relics, which can offer boosts like increased attack speed or a higher critical hit chance. While combat is often automatic, you'll strategically choose which of your ninjas attacks specific opponents. Be sure to participate in tournaments regularly to win exclusive weapons and valuable rewards for your clan. To strengthen your clan, focus on ninja progression and resource management. Karma is a crucial resource, allowing you to train your ninjas and unlock their full potential. You can also upgrade your base buildings instantly to access better items and features. Remember to collect gold and other resources from winning battles and claiming daily rewards. Don't forget to visit the daimyo every 4 hours for special bonuses. For advanced play, set your sights on defeating powerful guardians and epic boss monsters. Completing various achievements will also grant you extra karma and unique rewards, pushing your clan further. Experiment with different ninja types and weapon combinations to find the most effective strategies. Finally, engage in challenging player versus player battles to truly prove your clan's might against other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.